Dave doesn't mind.
Of course Dave minds.
Let's Alright, baby, let's do it. You can see clearly now the rain is gone.
I can see clearly now the Jack is Yes, this is the hardest part in the whole song. Uh-oh.
Time for the battery change.
Definitely wishes it was raining batteries.
I will now go to find batteries.
What happened to that big stash I collected last night?
Well, it's where I left it. You don't need to follow me here. Let's just leave that out of the picture.
Sure, we'll just hit pause. And crusty stuff.
Crustaceans.
Wow.
Give me all of Lake.
Wow, those batteries were fantastic. You got two half notes out of it. Do I have to hit pause again while you go to your secret stash?
Yes, you do. That and switches the white guitar. Separate quality.
You can't stand that white guitar. I hope it doesn't have to come to that.
Well, we shall interview Dave. So Dave, what do you think of this battery hunt business?
I think there's going to be a lot of phones that aren't working well.
They're all on the AC adapters, it doesn't matter.
That's awesome.
I went down a whole row last night looking for batteries. 2 whole rows. Up one side, down the other. Nothing.
So we'll bring our own in and take them home with us.
Maybe I'll get porn on it.
One can hope. Oh, you didn't even get that far.
Just hook my chair up to it.
You know what they should do? They should make a some kind of wire adapter for the wireless, so that, because the black one's a nicer shape.
You can plug it in.
Oh, can you?
Yep.
Really? Does it need some kind of special apparatus that we don't have?
I don't know. I see the hole in the bottom for a jack.
I don't think you're going to get anything out of those batteries.
Jordan Green.
It was enough to flash the LED on the button. Then it went out again.
Down to our last couple, okay?
Well, voltage.
Plug this black one in though?
I don't think we have a.
Oh, you need the right adapter for it.
You can see at the very bottom there's a adapter. I don't think they have that unless they have the box here for the Guitar Hero.
Well, there's the box that came in with the white controller.
Well, maybe I get 5 notes out of this. Will it even start? Well, so far so good.
Yay, Jeff hit the aftermath.
He's ready to get on the board. 52 is down.
Got on the board?
So I think it's really down.
I can't believe it if I did it.
We're in the 50s.
78. Ouch.
544 out of 695.
51 misses.
192.
52 in the chorus, ouch.
Hey, we both got 100 in the aftermath. Oh no.
No,
Even close.
you need 70 to place. Wow.
B-Man's doing quite good on that one.
Wow. He's like almost.
He's also in. He normally plays hard on all the songs. Some expert even. He did expert on Paranoid.
Wow.
He did a pretty good job. He missed some stuff, but he's amazing. He's really good at that. And another guy over here named Chad. He was sitting here today. He plays expert too. So we're nowhere near that yet.
Then they got Johnny, who's got it at home and is
Dragon Force, and I've almost got him.
looking,
Speaking of that, we should check.
just looking to pick a fight.
Let's see here.